This is Isaac from Upto Properties. I'm here today with Nasima Isitilo from FNB Home Loans. We just launched 300 plots for sale in Gaborone North. These plots are serviced with water, power, sewage and internal road. It's the first project of its kind in the area. The area has been having problems with services, but now today we have brought the solution. So today we just want to see how FNB can help you. Nasima, can you just maybe briefly take us through how FNB can help a client who is interested in buying this plot?
Thank you, Isaac. As Isaac mentioned, I'm from FNB Home Loans. We can offer financing to acquire vacant land between 80 and 90%. Terms and conditions will apply.
Since you are going to be financing between 80 and 90%, does this only include for the vacant land, or does this also include for the building loan?
Currently, the 80 and 90% will be for the vacant land. Thereafter, as FNB Home Loans, what we offer is a time period for the customer to go out for a period of 6 to 12 months to go out there and develop their dream house concept. That 6 to 12 months gives the customer to shop around and really come up with what it is that they're looking for at the end of the day. Within that period, they are there shopping around, getting the right contractor, getting an architect, getting the plans approved, because as we know, the plan approval process can take some time. At best, the maximum time it can take is around 3 months. So the 6 to 12 months gives the customer time to really develop their dream house concept. And then they can come to the bank, even on the 12th month, to come and ask for development finance. Now, the customer can get the development finance to build their dream home.
Let's say maybe in an instance where somebody qualifies for 800,000, they're buying a plot. Our plots are as cheap as 325,000. So how are we going to be structuring this loan? Somebody qualifies for 800,000, they're buying a plot for 325,000. Now, is that still money that they qualify for in between? How are we going to be financing the whole thing from purchasing the plot and building the house?
As I mentioned, we will be giving between 80 and 90% just to acquire the land. Thereafter, they qualify for 800. So we will pay out the purchase price on the land, between 80 and 90%, and then the balance. Let's just say they're building for an additional 600. Then we will give them the full 600 now to come and develop their dream home.
So to my understanding, what you're saying is, if I'm buying the plot, then you're going to finance me between 80 and 90%. So if I come back for the building loan, am I getting 100% for that finance? And I also want to know, how am I getting this 100% for the building loan? Are you paying it out on installments as per the stages of the house? Or are you giving me the whole amount to go and build the house? What is the agreement there?
That is correct. Like you were saying, between 80 and 90% will be for the vacant land acquisition. And then for the development finance, we will give 100%. What happens with the development finance is that it will take place in stages. The first stage is the foundation. The money never goes into the customer's account. It is an agreement between the bank and the customer and the contractor. The customer enters a building contract with the preferred contractor of their choice, and then the contractor buys the material, does the labor portion, and then claims. The claim is countersigned by the customer, whereby the customer is saying, I am happy with the workmanship that the contractor has done. Please go ahead and pay the contractor for the work that has been done. The bank then disperses the funds directly into the contractor's account.
If I'm a customer at home and I want to come and buy the plot and get the building loan, where do I start?
FNB Home Loans is located in the CBD area. Home Loans is on the first floor, so you can come into our building. It's the biggest building CBD. Or you can reach us on 370-6000 or 370-6491. That would be my direct line. And I am happy to walk the customer through and handhold them throughout the home loan process. It is an overwhelming process, it's very emotional, and what we are saying at Home Loans is that we would like to be your partners to build your dream home.
Thank you, that's great. Do customers only have to come to CBD, or can they use other FNB branches across the country?
Indeed, because FNB Home Loans is based in Gaborone, We do have branches across the country, around 23 branches. And yes, the customer can go into any one of our branches and talk to any of the sales consultants who will walk them through what I have just mentioned.
I think just to top it up on that one, which customer will qualify for this type of package that we are offering now? For getting the plot and for the building loan, which customer qualifies for this?
At FNB, we look at a customer's individual merits. A salaried customer can come through and we can quantify how much they qualify for just by looking at their salary slip. We also finance companies that would like to purchase residential property. And with that, the company would need to bring their financial statements, and then we can also calculate how much they qualify for.
I think just the regular Motswana, a lot of people are in a lot of loans. They have personal loans and car loans. So I think the big question here is a lot of people have these running loans. They are interested in buying these plots. Does this also apply to them?
At FNB Home Loans, we believe it's a fundamental right for every Motswana to own a home and house their family. And so what we are saying at FNB Home Loans is that we can help you achieve that dream. So please come through to us and let us have that discussion and help you achieve that dream of yours. Over and above that, we have recently launched the 105 financing. What we have noticed is that first-time home buyers do not have the deposit or savings for the legal fee transaction when they're purchasing a property. So what we are saying is that come through to us. We can offer you 100% financing for the purchase price plus 5% for the legal fees. That way, for the first-time home buyer, it's a hassle-free, convenient, one-stop solution.
Now that we have that on the record, call me on 72116388 or call my office line on 397-3. Let's help you get that goal. Apex Properties.
We self-medicate.
Not really.
Not really.